Is your BMW 5 Series refusing to link with Apple CarPlay? Let's troubleshoot this connection issue in just a few minutes. Statistically, most connectivity headaches are caused by minor software handshakes that just need a quick refresh. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your wireless connection. Start by toggling your Bluetooth, deleting the existing device profiles, and performing a soft reset of the iDrive system. Check these three common culprits, especially VPN apps that can interfere with wireless data transmission. Also verify that your screen time restrictions are not accidentally blocking CarPlay connectivity. Most users solve this at home, but if hardware failure is to blame, you will need professional diagnostic tools. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are resolved through simple software resets. If problems persist, use an OBDI scanner to identify deeper communication errors or consider a dealer-level firmware update. Keep a quality USB cable handy for testing and a BMW-specific scanner to verify your communication modules. Remember that iDrive is a complex computer, so always give it enough time to finish its restart process after any change. If these steps helped you get back online, hit subscribe for more BMW maintenance tips.